Hello again. One of the last steps in the process is applying your appliques to your finished block. So this is my applique for section B of the octopus, which you can see is traced here. I've applied my fusible to the back of the fabric, and now I'm going to put this onto the finished background block. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull the paper. And this is going to be a little tricky because of all those curls. If you have a simpler design, the paper pulls off easily. And then I'm going to line up the two straight edges of the applique with the straight edges of the block, lay everything down, and go over it with the iron. This is going to stick the applique to the background block. Sometimes you need to do a little wiggling to get it just right. Of course, these two edges are going to fall into the seams when we sew our blocks together. But this is how you apply your applique for machine applique to the background block. The next step is adding the tentacle pieces, which you can see over here. These are my B1, 2, and 3 pieces. So same thing, you're just going to pull the paper off using your template as a guide. You determine where those belong and then iron them down. Very simple. B3, the piece B3 goes at the crux of the two arms and helps you see that spacing between the arms. So slide that up just a little. And then iron it down. And then we have one more piece, B2, which goes on the lower arm. And you're just gonna place that on and then move it until it fits well. And there it is. We'll iron that down. And then the last step before sewing these blocks together is to top stitch all these edges so that they don't come up later on if you wash the project or if you use it. So I like to use a top stitch, and I'm just going to do a top stitch in gray thread on that piece. So this piece, which is B, is now completed except for the top stitching, which I'm going to do next.